Are you having a tough time keeping bugs out of your van? Well, we've got you covered. And not with like DEET or any of that bug spray stuff. Something way better. The Keurig Bug Screens are one of the most popular and functional items we sell on our site and are designed to keep every square inch of your door or window covered with easy entry and exit with our unique magnetic latching system. Now every Keurig comes with the Velcro pre-installed in the seam that allows you to attach the bug screen, and the install process is so easy that we probably don't have to make a tutorial for it, but we will. Now the best way to enjoy your screens is really up to you. You can keep it rolled up and tied out of the way, or you can keep it zipped down and closed to keep anything from bugs to anything else out of your van. Another cool feature of our rear door screen includes the ability to have the half and half screen close off your garage completely or keep it accessible by rolling it out of the way. Now here's Curtis with some other reasons why these screens might be right for you.
Yeah, so our door screens are great for many things, not just for bugs, but for dust and shade as well. I've been in some situations where did not have a bug screen and camped out towards Lake Tahoe for the Adventure Van Expo and definitely paid the price. Having your doors open and the screens deployed definitely helps with air ventilation throughout the van. If you don't want to run your AC, or if you don't have an AC, this is a product for you. So if you're out camping at night and you don't want your doors open, we also offer screens for the driver and passenger windows. So it's just great to be able to deploy that screen and have a little safe haven away from the critters. The screens keep bugs out in a lot of different ways. One being this magnetic strip closes right behind you. You don't have to worry about something crawling in really quick while you're doing something and you need to come back out. So the magnetic strip is definitely a way to keep a solid barrier between you and the elements. Another feature is our door sweep. You can adjust this as well and move it where you want, but we have it set perfectly at the bottom so that whenever it is down and everything's set up, there's nothing crawling in after you.
We build these screens in many shapes and sizes, and they're built to accommodate the rear, side, and driver and passenger side windows of your van. We even offer screens that accommodate older generation Sprinter models. So if you like what you see, and you feel like this might be the good fit for you to keep bugs, critters, anything else out of your van and keep ventilation going through it during the summer, pick them up before they're gone.